Scene 5, take. Now, let's repeat all those settings for the other 23 drawings. I'm just kidding. There's a much easier way to do it. From the view menu, we can go to view templates, and I can tell it create a template from the current view. So it takes all the current view settings and creates a template out of it. So I could call it a Axon template. You see, I can edit all of those views. So I can change my graphics overrides or whatever, but it has accepted all the current settings to build this template. Now I can apply these to using the template, or I can turn them off. Let's say I want to be able to change the scale. Sometimes it'll be 1/8 inch scale, sometimes it won't. I could include that or not include it. I could use the background or not use the background. But I'm just going to stick with that. Now, I could go here to my axons and sections and select them all. And we'll actually select all the elevations too. And I could change the template all at once and just go to the Axon template. And they all got that template. So let's see what that looks like in elevation. Well, our that one's not a good elevation. We'll have to fix that in a minute. So that's not so bad. It's got that depth queuing going on here. I could change the depth queuing, except that I can't change it this way. Let's see. And I can see in my axons that I've got those settings set. Now, as I look at these, they look pretty good. I might decide that I want some changes to happen here. Now, if I want to change all of them equal at the same time, I can go to my view templates and manage templates and pick the Axon one and change everything on it. So for instance, I might change the depth queuing. I want it to be not quite so extreme. And now it all looks a little bit sharper here. So the depth queuing is not quite as dramatic. It might be more interesting to turn it off entirely to see what it looks like. So I could go here and turn off all the depth queuing. And now we've got that heavy black around it. So view templates are amazingly powerful. I can apply the same change to all of my drawings very fast to achieve a graphic consistency to everything. I can set that up at the beginning of a project, and then all my drawings just look good right from the beginning. And that's what I really urge you to do. Set up your viewing styles and reuse them. So now, if we created a template, we could save all the view styles, the view templates as part of our project template. And then every time we create a new project, we've already got all the view styles. So from one project to the next, you can have consistent drawing style, which is really useful for producing a portfolio. Now, if I wanted to change one view, I could say, take this top northwest axonometric and say, I don't want to use the view template. And I set it to no view template. And then I could change anything I want. I could say, go to a shaded view on this one. And then all of these other ones, I did not change them to shaded, but I just have that one as shaded. If I want to use that shaded view on a lot of them, I could make a new view template. So create from the current view. I could call it Axon shaded. And I could apply that to another drawing. So I could use the axon shaded for that one too. So now I've got the two axons are shaded and the other ones are not.